What is going on, guys, and welcome to a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can appeal to get your Clickbank account approved. What's going on, guys? So a couple of days back I uploaded a video obviously of me creating a Clickbank account and getting started on Clickbank, etc. And then in the comments I got a comment from someone who was basically trying to create a Clickbank account as well, just following along with the video. However, he got his account banned, or it didn't get approved. So I'm just going to show you 3 ways how you can basically, still get your account approved. As I already mentioned, when creating an account, I'll just quickly open Clickbank up just to show you guys. So obviously I already have an account, and when you create an account, you can basically have a drop down menu with all of the countries. Now when Clickbank just started, obviously the amount of countries you could choose from was fairly limited, and if your country is not available in this drop down menu, you cannot create a Clickbank account. However, this guy actually mentioned that his country, so where he is from, is in the drop down menu, but when he created an account they didn't approve his account. So that is why he couldn't create a Clickbank account. He couldn't get started on Clickbank. So today we are going to basically show you guys how you can appeal for your account and still be able to promote your products or promote other people's products on Clickbank, provided that your country is in the drop down menu. Okay, so 3 ways to do it. Let me just shut this down. So the first way is just to submit a request form, which I will copy and paste here. What I'll try and do is I'll try and link this document in the comments of this video, so you guys don't have to don't have to try and find these links or anything like that. So or you can go to support.clickbank.com and then request, but I'll just give you guys the link, it'll be easier. Okay, so what you can do is you fill out your email address. In the subject you can have something like what should we do, Clickbank account request, something like that. Okay, and then in the description, suggested articles, no, we'll just leave that as is. So in the description we type something like, dear sir/madam, let's see, I am, or let's say my name is, so I'll write this as if I'm doing it for myself, and obviously you can change the name, etc. So my name is Joshua Daniel George. I am a full-time affiliate marketer. Okay, I have been doing affiliate marketing full-time now for the last 5 years. Why? Because we want to create the impression that we can bring a lot of value to the table, and obviously earn money with Clickbank, because if we earn money with Clickbank, they earn money also. Okay, so I have been doing affiliate marketing full-time now for the last 5 years. I have been working with multiple platforms, i.e. and then basically we can just think of platforms, Offer Vault, Amazon, etc. Is Offer Vault wrong? Maybe it's capital O. Okay, just leave it like that. Okay, so, and now I am very much interested in working with Clickbank. Unfortunately, let's see, unfortunately I was not able to create an account, and I am unable to sign up with your system. I am getting the following message. I'm not actually sure what the exact message is, because obviously I got approved, but it's something like unfortunately we cannot offer you an account at this time, or something like that. So you will need to insert the actual message here, so make sure you copy and paste, and also create a screenshot of it, so it's easier to show them what the issue was. So insert the message that you received here. And then, like I already said, it's something along the lines of, unfortunately, we cannot offer you a Clickbank account at this time. Okay, it's something like that. And just make this a capital C. There we go. Okay, and then we finish off with something like, could you please solve this issue as soon as possible? I have attached a screenshot of the message I received. I look forward to hearing from you. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to ask. With kind regards, Joshua Dangle, George. Okay, so that is how you basically, appeal for the account or submit the request. So the type of question is, it's blocking from creating an account. Okay, and then the account nickname is whatever you've done at the time. I think mine's just George J's 2019. And then you add the attachment of the screenshots that you basically created. Okay, so that's method number 1, is by submitting a request. If that does not work, or you don't get a reply, or you want to do this simultaneously, which is fine as well, you can email the same message to support@clickbank.com. okay, so all you need to do is copy this message and then message support@clickbank.com. okay, now if this does not work either, or you are very impatient, which I am also, then you can also try a third message, which is basically contact them, chat support. Okay, so you go to clickbank.com/contact us, and then basically what you can do is click on the live chat, or you can call them directly, which is toll free, and then they've also got an international number as well. If you click on the live chat, you'll basically get, I'll switch it off, otherwise I will be in the live chat, but if you click on the live chat, you'll basically get a representative of Clickbank, and then basically you can explain the situation and ask to get your account back. Okay, 99% of the time the first message will do the trick, so the one we created here. And what I recommend you guys doing is sending this message and then emailing them simultaneously, so having both those methods in one go. And then if you do not get a reply within 3 business days, then try the chat support. Okay, so this video was short and sweet, but I hope you guys I hope it helps you guys out. Like this video if you got something out of it. Comment down below what you'd like to see from my channel next. If there's any Clickbank related videos or anything that I can help you guys out with, let me know in the comments down below, and if not, I'll just continue with my journey videos. Subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Allow me to introduce the Dijs University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on Clickbank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dijs University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.